Joining us today is Simon Ridge, Director, Mine Safety, State Mining Engineer, Department of Mines and Petroleum, WA, who's presenting at IIR's UnderMINE Underground Operators Summit, 28th to the 29th of June in Fremantle. Hello Simon, thank you for joining us.
Good morning.
Can you briefly explain the current outlook for underground mining in Australia in light of last year's economic downturn?
Well, certainly I can speak for Western Australia. The economic downturn really didn't affect the underground mining prospects very much at all. We're currently enjoying record gold prices, which is a significant part of our underground operations. Individual sectors like diamonds and the nickel for a while did suffer, but they seem to be picking up again, so the outlook is very bright.
What do you believe to be the key safety issues that the underground mining industry needs to address going forward?
Well, certainly the underground mining environment does present technical challenges and hazards that are fairly unique to that industry. With the mines becoming deeper, we have the issues of seismicity, and certainly we always have to ensure against complacency. We need to be ever vigilant about the hazards that we do face and manage on a daily basis. With increased reliance on technology and changes in technology always bring with them other hazards that need to be managed. So it's a case of ensuring vigilance and managing a changing environment as we go deeper.
What is the process of mine inspections in the underground arena? What do regulators expect, and how can the mines ensure that they comply?
Well, essentially in Western Australia we're looking, along with the national agenda, to move to evidence-based risk. So certainly the inspectorates will be looking to develop programs that meet the risks that the mines are wanting to manage. And of course, what we will be looking at is that the key elements of practice on the mine address the hazards in a risk framework that it produces the outcome we want, which of course is no injuries and certainly no fatalities. So what a process of inspection would be, that we'd have formal programs that are rolled out across the industry in a consistent manner that are evidence-based and essentially no surprises for people, so that they know what we're going to be looking at and the tools that we're going to be using, and that they will be wholly supported of it because it's the evidence is there to say this is what we need to do.
How can a holistic compliance plan help a mine in meeting compliance requirements?
Well, it's a case of everybody knows what the rules are and how these things are going to be measured and what the next step's going to be. It's a case of consistency and addressing issues that everybody agrees upon needs addressing, so that there's no variance between how of approaches of individuals or anything. We're all working to the same plan towards the same outcome, and that would go across the state and across the whole of Australia, which is the aim of the harmonisation projects from the National Mine Safety Framework.
You're a panellist at IIR's UnderMINE Summit 2010 on the 28th to 29th of June in Fremantle. What do you plan to address at the event?
Well, I'll be part of this panel, and we're going to be able to communicate with our stakeholders and hopefully give them an insight into the way the inspectorates are moving and across Australia as well as in Western Australia, and to be able to answer some of their questions so that they can look forward to a future that we all hope will be injury and fatality free.
What do you hope events like this will achieve for the industry?
Well, I think it's a good arena to air some of the problems and to seek some input so that we can all agree on the way forward, so that there's free and open and frank discussions about what the issues might be and how we might go forward.
Thanks, Simon. Nice talking with you today.
Thank you.